How to videotape this. My phone's stupid.
I'll send it the video to you.
I don't have an iPhone.
Nope.
I have an iPod.
I don't have an iPhone either, but I'm using this.
Yeah, launched mine, and like the parachute got stuck on like one of the poles. And then it like started throwing rocks at it, and then it came down.
This is going on YouTube, guys.
I want to give this a job.
I'm gonna like upload every video I've taken and be like, my day at Science Quest.
Hi, Hannah.
Every kind of science you would think of. Not really.
I like pushing the button. You just go.
Hannah, what was that?
Listen, please. These are fun. They're a lot of. You can have a good time with them, but they're also very, very dangerous. These are pyrotechniques. Okay, they're the things that blow things up. I knew a guy when I was 14 that lost his eye to one of these.
Oh.
When I say lost his eye, I don't mean it put his eye out. I mean he literally lost his eye. It went into the socket and did damage and completely exploded the eye. All because he made the mistake of leaning over it at the wrong time. He thought it was dead because it didn't go off, and he went to pick it up like that and it went off. This is not a joke, it's not a toy. So if I seem picky, I have good reason. Does everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to ask you to please take a knee. Well, the logic is for it to get off that pole. If it did go somewhere, it'd probably go over your head. You're standing up, you're an easier target. This igniter will not work without a key in it. It's armed when the light comes on. Count him down.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's going on the roof.
Oh my gosh.
Nope, no, it's not. Where'd it go?
It's over there.
Here it goes. I can see it. Come on. I see it. Whoa. Yes, it's going on the roof. Uh-oh, it's drifting. Is that white? Yeah, it's drifting.
It's coming back.
No, it's going on the roof. It's right here.
Yeah, it's going on the roof.
Or it's falling on us.
Goodbye, Mr.
Oh, man.
Who do you trust, Miss Lupo? Who do you trust?
Me, pick me.
You can trust him.
Patrick or Sparky.
Guys, it's right there. If it goes in the streets, you're done. You can't go, but go around front of the building and look up for it. That sucker is gone.
Oh, I still see him.
Hey, guys, don't even waste your time. Actually, do. Go look. Go look. It might come down.
It's coming down in the parking lot.
Watch my controller, please.
Watch out, guys. Watch
Star Wars controller.
Oh, I see it.
Be my eyes.
Oh, plane. It's an aeroplane.
I see it.